These AI tools are already helping people make real money in 2025. In this episode, I'll break everything down clearly, step by step.
Welcome back to Future Hustle Lab. Today, we are exploring Canva AI, a powerful design tool that helps anyone create professional visuals.
Design plays a major role in online success, but many people don't know where to start. Poor design reduces trust, engagement, and conversions. Canva AI removes complexity and makes design accessible to beginners.
Canva AI uses artificial intelligence to generate layouts, images, and text.
It supports thumbnails, social posts, ads, presentations, and branding assets. This makes Canva AI ideal for complete beginners. Let's walk through a simple Canva AI workflow. The first step is choosing a template based on your content goal. Canva AI automatically suggests colors, fonts, and layouts.
You can edit text and visuals without design experience.
What used to take hours now takes minutes.
Let's look at how people use Canva AI to earn.
Creators use Canva AI to design thumbnails that improve click-through rate.
Social media managers create daily posts using AI-powered templates.
Freelancers offer design services using Canva AI.
Design tasks are often priced per project or per package. AI allows designers to scale without increasing workload.
If this is helping you, subscribe to Future Hustle Lab because we explain each AI tool step by step.
Using too many elements is a common beginner mistake.
Simple, clean designs perform better.
Brand consistency builds trust. Canva AI helps maintain brand consistency easily. AI-powered design will continue to grow as demand increases. Before we wrap up, let's answer the most common questions people ask about Canva AI.
Is Canva AI suitable for complete beginners?
Yes. Canva AI is designed for beginners and requires no prior design experience.
Can people really earn money using Canva AI?
Yes. Many users earn by offering design services and digital products.
Is Canva AI free to use?
Yes.
Yes. Canva offers free features with advanced tools available in paid plans.
Is Canva AI good enough for professional work?
Yes. Many professionals use Canva AI for fast, high-quality design output. Can Canva AI replace tools like Photoshop? No. Canva AI simplifies design, while advanced tools serve different needs.
Does Canva AI help with branding?
Yeah.
And tell me, are Canva AI images copyright safe?
Yes. Canva AI supports brand kits with consistent colors and fonts.
And yes, Canva images are safe when used according to Canva's content license and terms of service. Is Canva AI suitable for social media marketing? Yes. It is widely used for social media visuals and ads.
Can Canva AI designs be customized fully?
Yes. Templates can be edited to match specific needs.
That clears up the most common questions about Canva AI.
Canva AI makes professional design accessible to everyone. Subscribe to Future Hustle Lab as we continue breaking down each AI tool. In the next episode, we will explore ElevenLabs,